Today we will again look at Ruud Earther, an English flat earth fanatic who with his Nikon P1000 thinks he can prove that the earth is flat with his videos. I have shown his videos several times and even tried to explain to him what he is doing wrong. But he only responded to my criticism by being rude and blocked me from commenting on his channel. Today we will watch several of his videos. One of the things I brought up is his use of tripod. I explained that his tripod is too small for the camera he has. He has posted videos about his tripod in response. Let's look at what he has to say about tripods.
Hello there guys, this is the highest my tripod could ever be. I'm not going to write it in the description, so you have to read it. I'm just going to tell you right here and now. So it's 54.5 inches, the highest it could ever be, and that works out to be about 4.5 feet. You can see by the spread of the legs that it would never fit on one of those steps at the beach on the promenade. So this is just for reference, guys, anyway, just so you know. Nice one for watching, brother.
I don't know if I should laugh or cry. You may excuse me, Ruud, but how stupid can you be? Do you know what these do? They regulate the height of each leg. This can be done individually. How do you think you set up a tripod horizontally in nature? This is how to use a tripod in a staircase. You place two legs on the lower step, in parallel, and the third on a step higher up. Then you control the height of the upper leg. One more thing. You bought a camera for about 1,000 euros and then a small tripod for exchange money. Your tripod is too small for your camera. There is one thing you can do to make it more stable. It's learning how to use this. It is there for you to hang something heavy to stabilize your tripod. You think that with your camera you can prove that the earth is flat, at the same time you do not understand how something as simple as a tripod works. Here are some examples of how to use tripods. In those of Ruud's videos that I previously debunked, they have always been filmed at the beach. He has deliberately ignored tides, refraction and other factors that determine how much you see. He has also not been interested in crucial facts but has guessed how tall the boats are, ignored that platforms he filmed have been standing on the bottom and not floating. The next video, where he actually got up on a hill. Let's see how he succeeds this time in trying to prove that the earth is flat as a pizza. The higher you get, the further away the horizon is. This is how it works on a globe. So you have proven again that we do not live on a flat earth. Congratulations. That has nothing to do with the shape of the earth. That is perspective. Here's an example of perspective. Are you really this stupid? If you visit this place when the weather is clear, I guarantee you will see them. Can any of you watching this video explain to me how Ruud thinks this video is in any way proof that the earth is flat? He seems unaware that the reason he doesn't see the platforms is the weather. He also does not seem to understand that the earth is too big for you to see the curvature, even if you are standing on a hill and panning with the camera. We end with a video in which Ruud tries to explain why he does not see the entire buildings when filming from the beach. As usual, you do not include refraction, tides, and being sure that you have the correct facts. The tide varies much more than your 12 feet. But you never include it in your calculations, despite the fact that you film over the sea. Is Ruud really this stupid, or is he a troll joking with flat earthers? That he sees more of the houses the higher he comes depends on the curvature of the earth. So this was another video by Ruud Earther proving that the earth is not flat. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to support the channel, there are links in the description.